Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly we have to open our contact list and find the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it. Now we have to tap on edit contact and choose this camera icon. And here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you. Or we can choose a photo from the gallery, so I will pick to choose a photo. And here we have to decide where we want to find a photo, so I will find it in my own gallery and find it and tap on the photo you'd like to use. Right now we have to decide where we want to crop it, so again we can use the gallery or Google Photos, and I will pick Google Photos. And as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, we can change the position of the photo and we can rotate it, so just customize it like you want to. I will pick something like this, and if you are ready, just tap on save copy. As you can see, it immediately appeared right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our contact. After getting back, you can see it also on the contact list, and you will be able to see it also whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.